After 11 days ng paghihintay ko sa payment dito sa Pilobox, and as you can see guys, na-receive ko na po yung $70 na ni-request kong withdrawal galing dito sa company to. And medyo natagalan lang dahil medyo malaki po yung ni-request kong withdrawal. And as you can see guys, is completed na po siya and I receive here on my account. Kung interesado kayo sa mga extra income online, legit paying application na pwedeng pagkakitaan or any application tricks, i-check nyo lang yung mga videos ko rito sa channel ko and don't forget to subscribe and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, another legit site for extra income na naman po yung isi-share ko sa inyo by just playing and solving CAPTCHA here in Pilobox.com. First of all, this is available to any devices such as Android and iOS device. Kasi website lang naman to guys, and you can access this website through your phone or any devices. So take note guys, no need investment po dito sa site na to, and this is completely for free. So the good thing here in Pilobox.com, meron po silang mga couple of ways to earn like CAPTCHA minute. So ito po yung magsosolve kayo ng multiple CAPTCHA per minute. Then meron din silang unlimited CAPTCHA encoding. So ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko dito guys, kasi unlimited po yung CAPTCHA dito, and syempre dahil unlimited po yan, unlimited din po yung earnings nyo dito. Then meron din ditong referral commissions, monthly referral bonus, and top earners rewards. So most probably guys, dito sa unlimited CAPTCHA, you can earn up to $75 every month if you reach 100% from solving the unlimited CAPTCHAs they provided. Sa referral commission naman guys, you will receive 25% lifetime referral commission every time na makaka-earn yung mga referrals nyo from solving minute CAPTCHA. And dito guys, napaka-convenient po ng payment methods nila, kasi pwede nyong ma-withdraw yung earnings nyo dito through PayPal, Bitcoin, GCash, Palawan Express, eLoad for TM, Smart Globe, Steam Wallet, and syempre yung Mobile Legend Diamonds. So you have many options to request your payout here. So to create your account, click nyo lang po yung link, nandyan po sa my description guys, and it's up to you kung gusto nyo pong gamitin yung referral code ko. So dito, after you fill up all the fields, click mo lang yung create account. So dito guys, napakasimple lang po yung gagawin nyo dito, and as you can see, yung unlimited CAPTCHA solving nila is wala pong time limit, no investment needed, and yun nga, free unlimited CAPTCHA po siya. Alright, so to start here, click nyo lang po yung start solving now. So dito guys, sa unlimited CAPTCHA solving, you will receive 0.0005 cents of dollar for each CAPTCHA na masosolve nyo po. So try natin. So ganito lang yung gagawin nyo guys. Solve nyo lang yung CAPTCHA, then click next CAPTCHA. So as you can see, you've earned 0.0005 cents of dollar. So pwede niyang ituloy lang. So ang maganda dito guys, the more na mas marami kang masolve lang CAPTCHA, mas mabilis kang mag-solve lang CAPTCHA, of course mas malaki po yung ma-earn nyo rito. So that's how it works dito sa unlimited CAPTCHA. Then dito guys, meron silang daily CAPTCHA. Dito sa daily CAPTCHA guys, you will be given 1 minute to encode CAPTCHA as many as you can. So each CAPTCHA na masosolve nyo po rito is worth of 0.002 cents of dollar. So check natin guys, click nyo lang yung start now. So ready, boom, boom. So dapat dito guys, mabilis kayong mag-type para mas marami kayong masolve na CAPTCHA. So time's up. So as you can see guys, I've earned 0.016 cents of dollars. So that's how you do it dito sa daily CAPTCHA. Alright, so dito naman sa referrals, click nyo lang yung referral tab. And if you want to share your referral link, dito guys, copy nyo lang po yung referral link nyo. And sa every 5 referrals po na makukuha nyo guys is you will receive $1 po. Pero ang catch dito guys is kailangan nyo po munang makasolve ng over 30,000 CAPTCHA from Only CAPTCHA Challenge para ma-withdraw nyo po yung referral bonus nyo. Then if you want to withdraw your earnings here, punta lang kayo dito sa withdraw. And dito guys, you have many options to choose for withdrawal. So you can choose PayPal here, Bitcoin, GCash, Steam Wallet, and so on. So for example, sa PayPal, click nyo lang yung PayPal, then enter the amount that you want to withdraw here. Then of course, yung PayPal email address nyo. So take note guys, yung minimum withdrawal po dito is $5 or 250 pesos. And mapaprocess po yung withdrawal nyo dito within 5 to 15 business days, Monday to Friday. Alright guys, so withdrawal test tayo, and as you can see dito sa main account ko, meron na po akong total earned na $70.01. So itatry ko po siyang i-withdraw, and punta lang tayo dito sa my withdraw tab. Sa payment method, ang pipiliin ko po is PayPal, and i-withdraw ko po yung $70. So bali, hintayin ko na lang po once na ma-receive ko na po yung payment ko. Hello po at welcome back ulit. After 11 days ng paghihintay ko sa payment dito sa PillowBox, and as you can see guys, na-receive ko na po yung $70 na ni-request kong withdrawal galing dito sa company to. And medyo natagalan lang dahil medyo malaki po yung ni-request kong withdrawal. And as you can see guys, is completed na po siya and I received here on my account. So truly nga na legit talaga yung PillowBox, and hindi po nasayang yung effort ko sa pag-i-encode ng mga CAPTCHA dito sa site na to. So that's it for today guys. Sana makatulong po itong video review na to, and if you like this video guys, give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit mo na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga next upload ko.